Hello everyone! Welcome to this episode on current transducer wiring operation. We will use the Hangzhi ait5000 D160 high-precision high-current transducer as an example to demonstrate its complete wiring operation process. The equipment required for setting up this test scenario includes the ait5000 D160 high-precision high-current transducer, the Hangzhi independently developed HC6035 programmable DC standard power source, which used to provide a standard current signal of 0 to 500 A, and a 6-digit high-precision digital ammeter, which used to measure the secondary side output current of the transducer. The ait5000 D160 high-precision high-current transducer consists of a control box and a coil. The coil has a center hole for the current-carrying busbar to pass through, and is equipped with a DB9 male interface on the side. The front of the control box displays the product name, operation indicator light, and the Hangzhi logo. On the back of the control box are the power socket, DB9 female interface, red terminal positive terminal for secondary current output, and black terminal negative terminal for secondary current output. The BNC and DB9 connectors are for secondary voltage output. After preparing the equipment, we could begin with the wiring. First, use the dedicated cable to connect the coil to the control box. Pass the current output wire from the standard source through the center hole of the transducer coil. Connect the red and black terminals of the control box to the positive and negative terminals of the 6-digit ammeter respectively. After completing the wiring, power on the current transducer with no primary current, no load condition. Under normal circumstances, the green indicator light on the control box will be constantly lit, indicating that the transducer is working properly. If the indicator light is not on, check the power supply circuit. After confirming that the power is on correctly, output a 500 A test current from the programmable DC standard source. At this point, you can observe the secondary side output current reading of the transducer on the 6-digit ammeter. The above is the complete wiring process for the Hangzhi ait5000 current transducer. We hope this video helps you better understand and operate it. If you have any questions during use, please feel free to contact us at any time.